There are few animals that have a presence similar to an adult white tiger, which sadly there are only around 200 white tigers left in the world. But when they're little, they're some of the most adorable creatures. A fun fact is that baby hippos can't swim, and if we get really technical, adult hippos can't swim either. But due to the perfect combination of buoyancy and bone density, they can sort of fly through water. This is a 45-year-old tortoise meeting one of his babies, and the size difference is insane. Surprisingly, baby sharks aren't intimidating as one would think, but unsurprisingly, their cuteness doesn't last long. You might think this is just a cute puppy, but in reality it's a wolf.